Hey folks! Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of tuna filleting. It's more than just slicing up a fish, it's an art that demands precision, respect, and tradition. Ready to master the skill of filleting big tuna? Let's get started. First things first, you need the right tools. A sharp filleting knife is your best friend here. Remember, a dull knife is not only inefficient, but also dangerous. So, keep it sharp. Let's begin with our star, the big tuna. Place it on a stable cutting surface. We're going to start by removing the head. Make an angled cut just behind the gills, slicing through the flesh but not the bones. Flip the fish and repeat on the other side. Gently pull off the head. There we go. Next, the belly cut. Insert your knife into the belly and run it down towards the tail. This opens up the fish and exposes the inner cavity. Clean out any guts and rinse it under cold water. Now for the dorsal cut. This is where the magic happens. Run your knife along the backbone, carefully separating the fillet from the ribcage. It's crucial to keep your cuts smooth and steady. Flip the fish over and repeat on the other side. Once you have your fillets, it's time to skin them. Hold the tail end of the fillet. Lay your knife flat and gently slice between the skin and the meat. Work your way up, keeping the knife angled slightly towards the skin to avoid wasting any precious meat. Every part of the tuna has value, from the premium cuts for sashimi to the belly meat, perfect for grilling. Even the bones and head can be used for making rich, flavorful stocks. Nothing goes to waste when you're dealing with such a magnificent fish. So, there you have it, folks. Filleting a big tuna is not just about cutting up a fish, it's about honoring the tradition and maximizing every part of it. With practice and respect for the process, you can turn every cut into a masterpiece. Thanks for watching, and happy filleting. Remember, every cut counts. See you next time. Filleting a tuna is a journey, one that connects us to the sea and the traditions of those who have mastered this craft before us. Each slice, each cut is a step in that journey. The more you practice, the more you understand the fish, the knife, and the process. It's a dance of precision and care. And remember, it's not just about the end product. It's about the respect you show to the fish, the tools, and the tradition. So take your time, enjoy the process, and let each cut be a testament to your dedication and respect for this incredible craft. Happy filleting, and may your journey with the tuna be as rewarding as the meal it provides. Until next time, keep your knife sharp, and your respect for the craft even sharper.